A few weeks ago, I uploaded a video showing this system that consists of a PIC16 F1509 and a 16x2 LCD and an ESP8266, which is this one. The system has a red LED that will light up whenever a message is received via the internet from the ROC5B. Now what I have done is that I have included this system with the system that I am building, and every time a dog is detected on the camera, the system, the ROC5B, sends a message to the ESP8266 and the LED lights up. So over here we're seeing the connection being closed again, and every time there is a dog on the scene, the system will send a message and the LED will light up like it is doing at the moment. So this will happen every time there is a dog on the scene. I have given a 15-second delay so that the ROC5B will give enough time to this system to reconnect again to the network, because every time a message is received, the system has to disconnect and reconnect again. That is according to protocol when one is using the ESP8266 as a server, as a TCP server. So that is what is happening at the moment. As we can see, every time there is a dog on the scene, this system will send a message from the ROC5B to that slave system. And obviously the other system, the slave system, will send a message back to the ESP8266, to the ROC5B, so that it will confirm that it has received a message. In practical terms, this will not happen, I mean freezing the video. This is because at the moment I am testing this part of the system on a video, and in real life I cannot stop people, so the people will continue walking, but the system will detect that there is a dog, and it will trigger something so that it will scare away the dogs.